Rule one when dealing with a graphic designer: always get your source file. What is a source file? Your source file is the original file that your deliverable was created in. It is the source from which all other files come. The source file, in the case of most marketing collateral, such as billboards, posters, flyers, advertising layout, that file will be normally a PSD file, which is a Photoshop document, which is indicative of Photoshop, the design software that the file was created in. If it's a logo, it will most likely be an Adobe Illustrator file. These files are the source or the original file from which you get your PDFs, your SVG files, your JPEG files, and your PNG files. It's very important that you get these files because they have the most flexibility, so you can change for color, resizing, etc. And if you decide to go with a different graphic design in the future, then you'll need that file. If you decide to go to a printer, they may require the original file, or they may require you to produce a file from that file. So at Kouzy Arts, we always make sure we turn over all our files. Some graphic designers will hold on to those files, so you'll have to keep coming back to them. You do not want that. Make sure you get that source file.